The first AFMA Forum took place in 1992, and this event was initiated after they've identified that we needed a world-class leading conference on the African continent. We see different industry bodies and value chain partners attending the AFMA Forum. We start off with feed manufacturers, premix manufacturers, animal health industry, as well as pet food and rendering facilities, fertilizer companies, farmers from across all species, pork, poultry, dairy, ruminant, and we also see a lot of government, student bodies attending, and a lot of universities attending the forum. This year is the 11th AFMA Forum taking place. The AFMA Forum takes place every 3 years, and what's really different this year is we focused on food and feed, the fourth agricultural revolution. The fourth agricultural revolution really encapsulates sustainability, the impact on environment, economical trends, innovation, research and science to constantly improve our industry. We're looking at current development of our population, and the population is growing extensively every year, and we need to feed this growing population. We also, at this forum, are hosting the students, so the student outreach program is also being hosted at the forum, which is different from previous years. And then, so I think it's a great event where everybody can learn something, and we've got cutting-edge, world-class researchers, scientists from across the globe attending the event. So it's an opportunity for everybody to get the exposure on our local soil. This forum has grown from strength to strength every year, and at the moment we've got 745 delegates attending this forum. This is definitely a record number of attendees. In South Africa, we face several challenges in terms of infrastructure challenges. I think the last few years we've realized that energy is definitely a crisis. We can see failing infrastructure on our water systems, as well as the road and the rail systems. And this is something that we'll have to fix in order to ensure that we've got growth in our feed environment, and that then translates into food to feed the growing population. So the major challenges as well relate to natural resources and how well we look after the environment, protecting our resources for generations to come and for our children's children, and ultimately at the end of the day also ensure that the value chain is economically viable. AFMA's vision is really to be a thought leader in the agricultural value chain, and this will be executed through partnering with our value chain partners in order to make sure that we create an enabling environment for the feed industry to operate in. We will also focus on training and skills development of people operating in the feed industry, and then we will also take hands with government to ensure that we can develop and deliver on all the master plans that's been put in place. When we refer to master plans, we look at the agricultural and agro-processing master plan, the poultry master plan, as well as the soya value chain plan that is being developed at the moment.